TGITF. Thank God it's Tyco Friday. This is the original Tyco Pro. I just pulled this out and wow, yeah. Pretty cool. AP427. Yep. Bring you guys around here and we'll check this bad boy out. Yeah. Yeah. Well, we know we don't have a lot of height with these tires, so I'm going to try to remember to take them off before I take this car over to the track and put silicone black boots on the rear. There's another one of these I have. It has white side pipes and has black lines across the hood. But yeah. So let's try taking these white boots off now to see if it runs better on the dyno. Seems like it turns real nice. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be doing too good on the old dyno. See how far the rear wheels are back in the wall. Yeah. So yeah. Flexible head on here. Yeah, this kind of chassis here is not going to run on the dyno. But we will take it over to the track. I'm going to clean it with a little Novus, shine her up just a little bit, and yeah, we'll take her over to the track and plastic clean and shine. Number 1, don't use 2 or 3. You've been warned. Okay. These tires here are hitting up inside the fender. But we'll try that. Take you guys over to the track and we'll take it first in. Let's look her up in a book first. Let's look her up in a book first, because yeah, probably won't find it like the last time. Should have left it on pause until I found the damn thing. Okay, this has the gray and no lines. This has lines and it has white. 30 and 31. I have both of those. And over here, 30 yellow number 8. It's a 2, which means with low hood box. And 29 is a silver number 8. 2. Okay. We have, which one do we have? We have 30. And 71 Tyco Pro. Yeah, help if you could see, huh? 71 Tyco Pro. 8802. They're all 8802. I don't know what the hell the problem is. This guy's a dipshit. Availability is a 2. 30. Yellow number 8. And we have 72. It's a 3. Yellow with black dashes. 1 with high hood box. So yeah. $30 and $31. And there the two are. We are doing 30. Alright, take you guys over to the track. Put you on pause so I can figure out the problem with this thing. Yeah, these white boots, they're not even tall enough to even get the car moving. And wow, this whole cart is broke. Yeah. Yeah, it's not gonna run. So yeah, we don't get to see it go. We do not get to see it go. Yeah. Yeah, typical Friday. Yeah, this car is supposed to have white boots on it, and we know they're not as tall as the regular silicone. The regular silicone are taller, but they're too tall, and they hit the fender wells. So basically, this car does not go. I don't think it's ever gone anywhere, except right back in the case. Yeah. But yeah, the frame is broke right there in the middle. Can you see it? Yeah, you can see it. It's broke right in the middle. And over on this side, I'm not sure where it's broke at. It stays together. But yeah, so I'm gonna have to change this. I only got one Tyco left, Tyco Pro left. It's a Pro 2, but I'll put these heads on it one of these nights. One of these nights, yeah. Yeah, you can see how it's rubbing on the rear fender. Yeah, the whole car does that. Yeah, it must be a lemon from the factory. I'm serious. It probably is a lemon, but it's a cool looking AP 427. And yeah. Sorry you guys didn't get to see it go. But yeah, tonight I'll be building a pit kit. 4, 5, I got 5 or 6 of them. Five of them, I think. So we'll be building that tonight. Yes, sir. I will be going live, I guess. Unless I croak or something nasty happens. Yeah. Yeah. I'll be getting that video out of the first part of that, and then I'll do a video on the second part when I do the third table, which will be tomorrow. I'll probably film it, and you guys can check that out. 2 of them, if you want. I mean, you don't have to. Maybe you guys like watching guys build stuff. Maybe you don't. Maybe you just want to see how I'm doing it, and that's all you want to see. Yeah, it's an hour long, so you guys ain't got to watch it if you don't want. But I appreciate it if you do. And, yeah. All right. We'll see you guys tonight. And if you come in. And that's about it for now. TGITF. Yeah, thank God it's Tyco Friday. All right, guys. Subscribe if you ain't subscribed. Hit that bell and get notified. And I will catch you guys tonight. Later.